Hey, Pete. Who's your friend?
Hey Pete, waa tuma qoftan.
She is Anna. She is new to DC.
Waxaa lagu magacaabaa Ann. Waxay ku cusub tahay magaaladan Washington.
Where are you from?
Xageed ka timid?
I am from a small town.
Waxaan ka imid magaalo yar.
Now it's your turn.
Hadda waa tookadaadii.
Listen.
Dhegayso.
Where are you from?
Xageed ka timid?
I am from a big city.
Waxaan ka imid magaalo weyn.
Speak and say your city.
Hadal oo sheeg magaalada aad ka timid magaceeda.
Welcome to DC.
Ku soo dhawow District of Columbia.
Thank you.
Mahadsanid.
I'm Jonathan. I'm in apartment B4.
Magacaygu waa Jonathan. Waxaan deganahay apartmentiga qaybta afraad ama B4.
I am in apartment C2. Marcia is my roommate.
Waxaan deganahay apartmentiga qaybta C2. Marcia gabadha lagu magacaabo ayaan isku qol degannahay.
I know Marcia. She is nice.
Marcia waan aqaanaa, waa gabar wanaagsan.
And I am in apartment D7.
Anigana waxaan deganahay apartmentiga qaybta D7.
Now it's your turn. Listen.
Welcome to DC.
Speak and say your city.
Listen.
Thank you.
Speak.
I have to go now.
Oh,
Remember to call Marcia at work. Tell her you're here.
Waa inaan hadda baxaa. Xusuusnow Marshall inaad wacdaa si ay kugu shaqayso. U sheeg inaad halkan joogto.
right. Thanks, Pete.
Hagaag, mahadsanid Pete.
Nice to meet you.
Kulan wanaagsan.
You too. Bye.
Kulan wanaagsan sidoo kale. Nabadgelyo.
Now it's your turn. Listen.
I have to go now.
Speak.
Listen.
Nice to meet you.
Speak.
Apartment C2, here I come.
Hey, Pete. Who's your friend?
She is Anna. She is new to DC.
Where are you from?
I am from a small town.
Welcome to DC.
Thank you.
I'm Jonathan. I'm in apartment B4.
I am in apartment C2. Marcia is my roommate.
I know Marcia. She is nice.
And I am in apartment D7. I have to go now.
Oh,
Remember to call Marcia at work. Tell her you're here.
right. Thanks, Pete. Nice to meet you.
You too. Bye.
Apartment C2, here I come.
No. No.
No. To have met and talked to someone.
Remember. Remember.
Remember. To have or keep an image or idea in your mind of something or someone from the past.
Roommate. Roommate.
Roommate. A person who shares a room, apartment, or house with someone else.
Work. Work.
Work. The place where you do your job.